them see a hint of fear. Lines and dots, zoom in, zoom out. Open your window, let them hear you shout. Right on the poles, right on the street. Always remember the future is near. Cut some cords, scratch some scars. Put on your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the end.
Hi, my name is Nisha Burton. My company is Reflective Brands, and this year was my first year being here as a speaker. And my one takeaway is what a great production quality this conference is.
My name's Chris McMillan. I'm with Precision Content. The folks here have just elevated their game. We're having great conversations about the value of content, what it means for their organizations, how important it is to the value of their business.
My name is Jared Sickler. I work for Jorsic, and we are the makers of EasyData. And LavaCon has really become one of my favorite, if not my favorite, conference to attend.
Hi, I'm Jack Molisani, the Executive Director of the LavaCon conference, and I'm so excited because I learned things at my own conference.
Hi, I'm Sunita Tiwari from Palo Alto Networks, and this is my first time at LavaCon, and it's been a great session, and it's also been good to network with writers from across the globe, so it's been great being here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Amanda Wood. I'm from Thermal Calc Software based in Sweden. My one takeaway from LavaCon is that content matters, as do puppies.
My name is Nathaniel Lim, and I'm a technical writer with Cepheid in Silicon Valley, California. And one of the things I learned was it never occurred to me to have a DITA style guide. So that is one of the many things I will be talking to my manager about when I get back to the office. In fact, I have a lot of things to talk to my manager about, a lot of things.
My name is Bernard Ashwanan with Publishing Smarter. There's activities that are going to take you to all types of different vendors, all kinds of amazing presenters, speakers, fantastic food. Everything start to end is built around the experience you're going to have as an attendee, and the value is there start to end. I cannot emphasize enough just how wonderful an experience it is start to end.
When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your way. Stand tall, think clear. Don't let them see a hint of fear.